I'm often asked this question that even after putting a lot of efforts, why my English is not improving. I keep reading your comments where you ask that I have been learning English for 2 years, for 3 years, for 4 years, but I don't see any improvement in my English. When it comes to speak with someone, I get stuck, words don't come in my mind, or I end up getting nervous. So in this video, we are going to discuss some common reasons that's stopping you from learning English fluently. So let's get started. So the first reason here is you are not consistent. Doesn't matter what you are learning, if you are not consistent, you are not gonna see any result or you are not gonna improve. Either you are learning dancing, singing, or any new language, it requires consistency to be fluent in English or to get better in anything. So to all the people who say that I've been learning English for entire 1 year, please answer this question properly, that were you really consistent? Were you really consistent while practicing your English? If yes, then definitely you will see a lot of improvement. For an example, suppose you are someone who is willing to lose weight but you are not ready to work out every single day. You just work out for 2 days in a week. So you will say that I work out but still I'm not losing weight. So it's not gonna happen this way. You will have to work out on the daily basis just to see the result. Same goes with English. You will have to speak in English every single day to see the result. After 1 year or after a few months, you will definitely see a lot of improvement in you. So the second reason is you don't apply what you have learned in your real life. A lot of people, they have a long list of vocabulary words, they have a good knowledge of grammar, but when it comes to speak, they are not comfortable or they get nervous, words don't come in their mind. Why it happens? Because you are more focused about learning rather than implementing. So in English, learning the things and implementing the things are equally important. So I'll say whatever you are learning, try to implement it in your daily life. Don't just think that now I have learned these 5 vocabulary words and I'll use it someday. Use it today. If you have learned any single new word, try to make sentences, try to comment on someone's picture by using that word so that you know that how to use this word in a sentence or how to use this grammar part in a sentence. Don't do this mistake. Don't just focus on learning and implementing the things. Then only you are gonna see results and you will see that you are improving day by day. Third reason here is you are too afraid of making mistakes. When you start learning English, you are very afraid that what if I make a mistake or what if this person recognize my mistake. That's why a lot of people, they don't even try to speak in English. They are too afraid to make mistakes. Let me tell you guys that there is nothing wrong in making mistakes. Making mistakes is the sign that you are learning, and learning is better than not doing anything or not learning, right? And I will say that there are several benefits of making mistakes as well. Suppose what if you are making mistake or someone will correct you. A lot of time when I make mistake, I get feedback from people. So it's all about that how you are taking your feedback. Some people might feel insulted when they get their feedback, and some people take it positively and they try not to repeat the same mistake. So making mistakes could be beneficial for you, and I would say that never be afraid of making mistakes and never ever give up while learning English or speaking in English. The fourth reason is you are not surrounded by English content. When you are learning English, it is very important to feed your brain with some English content. So I would suggest you to read English novels, or if you are not interested in reading, you can go for watching Hollywood movies or English TV series, or you can listen to some English songs. So it is very important to feed your brain with some English content. If you are always surrounded by your native language, then how you're gonna improve your English? So it is very important to take some steps for yourself to improve your English. Start speaking in English, watch TV series in English, listen to songs in English. I'm not saying that you need to do everything, reading, writing, listening and watching movie, everything in English. It's all about your interest. If you like reading, then go for reading in English. If you like watching TV series in English, go for TV series. So the choice is yours. All I want to suggest you here is just feed your brain with some English content. Another reason is you don't enjoy the process of learning English. A lot of people get really bored when they are always stuck in grammar, understanding the grammar rules and everything. They get really bored. So it is very important to enjoy the process of learning. Try to bring something creative in your learning. When you are learning English, try to speak on creative topics or the topics of your choice. All that matter is you should enjoy the process of learning. When you start enjoying the process of learning English, learning becomes very easy for you. A lot of people do it as a burden that I have to learn English for cracking my job interview. But on the other side, a lot of people learn English just because of their passion, or they feel good when they see people speaking in English and they also try to get better in English. So whatever you do it with all your interest. Then only you would be able to learn it in a better way. Another reason is you get demotivated very easily. A lot of people, when they start learning English, initially they are very serious. They will say that I'll practice English for entire 1 month. Every single day I'll study for 1 hour, but gradually after 2 or 3 days their motivation goes down and they get demotivated. A lot of people get demotivated when they don't see any result. So let me tell you guys that it's a long process. Definitely you're gonna improve sooner or later. It's all about having patience and keep putting your efforts. Don't quit when you don't see results, because it may take time to show you some results, but definitely deep down you are improving. You are improving and keep practicing. Don't get demotivated when you don't see result. Got my point? So stay consistent. Don't get demotivated. Don't give up. Another reason is you make excuse that you don't have time. I have heard a lot of people saying that I don't have time. How can I practice my English? So guys, you will have to take out some time to practice your English. You will have to make it a priority. Just like you brush teeth on the daily basis, you take bath on the daily basis. Same thing you need to do with English. You need to take out at least 30 minutes to practice your English. If you are traveling, if you are doing some work, keep on making sentences in English in your mind. I'm not saying that you need to sit with a notebook and a pen every single time, but all you have to do is just practice in your mind. Every time you go to sleep, just memorize the things in English. Whatever you did whole day, entire day, whatever you did, tell yourself in English. Whatever you are going to do tomorrow, try to make sentences in English. So that's the way to practice your English. Here I have discussed 7 reasons why your English is not improving, and let me tell you guys that nothing is impossible. It's all about that how serious you are, how consistent you are, and you are not giving up. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more such videos. Happy learning!